Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will explain you about if your volume button is not working in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus, how you can solve this issue. So before starting, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move to the video. So if your volume button is not working, you can solve this issue by the way as I am showing in this video. Let's watch complete video and follow the steps, and you will learn how you can solve the volume button problem in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus. Let's watch the video.